Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on OfferUp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you accidentally block someone on OfferUp and you want to go ahead and unblock them so you can reach out to them again. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's log on to OfferUp. Next, click on Account. And then from here, scroll down and then click on Account Settings. Now we have some blur information there, but go ahead and scroll down. And then underneath Privacy, click on Blocked Users and Edit. Now these are a list of individuals that we've went ahead and blocked. So you can go ahead and unblock someone and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and unblock someone on OfferUp. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.